Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah, and today I have my favorite box of the season, FabFitFun. If you'd like to see what I got in the winter box, keep on watching. All right, folks, one of my favorite boxes to open. So awesome. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun, it's a quarterly subscription box that's $49.99 per season. That means you get a box 4 times per year, and it always retails over $100. More often, more than $300. But seriously, best box ever. It's a lifestyle, beauty, health. It covers the gamut. So it's so much fun. You get full-size products. I absolutely love it. So I'm excited to share what I got. But first, I am an annual subscriber, meaning that I pay for an entire year at a time. So that allows me a few additional perks, and one is being able to do the add-ons early. And if you don't know what an add-on is, it's an opportunity to shop items at a very deeply discounted rate, and that are sometimes included in their boxes. Some really well-known brands, but they have really good stuff, and there's such good prices, you guys. So there's that piece. And if you're an annual subscriber or select member, you get to make a lot of choices. So all members get to choose some of their items, so it's personalized to them. But if you're an annual subscriber, you get a lot of choices. So I'm excited to see everything I chose, because I kind of forgot. So first, I'm quickly going to go over the add-ons so you can kind of get a taste of some of the things offered. The first thing I picked up, and I'm so excited about, is the Oribe Travel Essentials collection. It comes in this adorable bag. Now, I use Oribe, and their stuff is so expensive. My hairstylist uses on me, and they had some really good stuff. I think I purchased the texturizer and the dry shampoo at the Nordstrom sale, and it was way cheaper. They had the same set on the sale page on the add-ons, and it was a lot cheaper. So I almost got another one, but I didn't. So it comes with this really, really nice travel bag. And inside, and this one's like probably around $50. You get 2 of the travel Gold Lush shampoo and conditioners. I use this on my hair. You get a Gold Lush dry shampoo, best stuff ever, smells so good. And you get a lip product. I have never tried it. Oh, it smells good. And then you get Oribe. The smell of it is insane. It smells so good. And you get, dun da da da, I can't open it. It's a really well packaged, an Oribe rollerball. I'm gonna put this on. Oh my gosh, it's such a good, like, if you kind of like that, like, manly scent with that feminine, it smells so good. Cote d'Azur. I don't know what notes it is. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. Did you hear that? It does sound good. It doesn't tell me the notes. I'm sure you can look it up online, but it's definitely this woodsy kind of scent, and I love that. Yeah. Okay, I picked up a few other things. I picked up the Murad Hydroglow Aqua, the Hydroglow Aqua Pill. It gently exfoliates and intensely infuses hydration to reveal a youthful glow. I think you get, I don't know how many you get in here. I think you get 2. Oh, you get 4. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I love Murad products. They always have a lot of Murad on the add-on sale. And next up, I got the Aranco Dry Shampoo Mist. I just thought this was really interesting. I have a lot of dry shampoos. This mist leaves hair and scalp feeling cleaner than regular dry shampoos, and I thought this could be really good. You use 1 to 2 pumps from roots. Oh, apply 1 or 2 pumps to roots. Let sit for 30 to 45 seconds and massage through to activate and cleanse. So I thought this could be really good if you work out in the morning and you want to throw your hair up on something like this to make it feel a little bit cleaner. So that's kind of what I got that for. And lastly, I don't use hairspray a lot, so I don't tend to like to buy it. But Living Proof, which is a great brand. I love all of their products. Their Flex Spray was on there for I think under $10, you guys. And it also has a heat protectant, and it's set, shapes, and finishes. So I always try and get some good hairsprays on the add-ons because it's something that like I never just like go and buy, but they're such good rates. So that's all my add-ons. I also got 2 products for spending more than $50 on add-ons. I got the V8 Hydrate Strawberry Cucumber watery thingy juice, and then the Barella Pesto Creamy Ricotta and Basil. This looks really good. So they do have some like sponsored add-ons that if you spend so much you can add them onto your box. So just another cool little thing. So let's get into the good stuff, you guys. So as always, how cute. Always is just packaged so well. Can't really show you because everything's falling out. Okay, so first of all, there's 1,000 things in here. You always get this cute little book. I love it because it tells you about the products, gives you inspiration if there's like a clothing item or something, how to wear things, and all about the products. So the total value of this box can range between $290, $335, and again, that's really contingent on what you got. So I'll go through and kind of let you know what I chose, what your options were. You get a little $60 gift card to HelloFresh. They always have little things in here. A little card to pass on to a friend who may want $10 off their first box. But guess what? You can get $10 off your first box with the code Santa Baby in the link down below, you guys. So if you want to check it out, hit the link down below. Okay. Now to the good stuff. The thing that everyone got in their box is the Mark & Graham blanket. Oh, it's so soft. It's a color block throw, and you can either got it in gray and ivory or natural and ivory. So I actually picked the natural and ivory. I just really liked the warmness of this. I think it's really pretty. And this retails for $49. It has fringe and it kind of has like a striped effect on it, and it's so pretty and it is so soft. So I can just imagine myself cuddling up on the couch with this, and I'm pretty sure this one will also love it. She loves blankets. Okay, next up, I'm pulling out the Moroccan Gold Series Treatment Mask Intensive Care for Dry and Damaged Hair. This is something that every member got to choose from. So you either received this treatment mask, which retails for $49, or you could have chose the Bear Paw Combo Set Headband and Pop Top Glove Duo, which retailed for $45. I don't live in anywhere that's actually cold. I live in Southern California. We're praying that it rains, but I was still in a tank top like earlier today, but it's supposed to rain tonight. So I went with the gold. So I went with the hair mask. Let's smell it. It smells good. It has a nice clean scent. Okay, I'm excited for that, especially the winter time. Your hair gets dry, and again, that's really nice that FabFitFun gears all of the items towards the season. So I appreciate that. Next up, in every box, you got the Hydration Cream Mask by Hava. Now, ooh. It can be used as just a quick mask for 3 to 5 minutes or an overnight sleeping mask. Now, I've not tried any of their like face stuff. I love Hava, I love their hand creams and stuff like that, but I've never tried any of their like line for skincare. So I didn't even know they had it. So I'm excited to try this again because we go from extreme like 75, 80 degrees to kind of lows in the 40s. My skin has been so dry lately. So I think that'll be really nice to have. Okay, next up, which was in everyone's box, is the Black Eye Mask with hyaluronic acid. Oh, I love this brand. This is supposed to help with areas that are puffy or swollen. I love putting these on in the morning sometimes if I didn't really get good sleep, to really kind of reduce the bangs or from kind of retaining a lot of water. So this is really nice to have. I keep them in my refrigerator to give an additional cooling effect. I forgot to say that this retails for $33, this retails for $29. So, I mean, we are way past the $49.99, guys, and we still have so much stuff. So if $49.99 feels a bit expensive, like the amount of stuff you get is insane. Insane. Okay. Now I also... I'm not exactly sure what's going on with my box. I have like so many items, you guys. This is not normal. So I got the Pure Be Your Selfie eyeshadow palette. Now people got to choose between this, the Jade Stone roller, and a pair of over the knee textured socks, but I picked the Jade roller. But I also got the eyeshadow palette. I'm not really sure what's going on. Okay, we're gonna keep going. You don't typically get bonus items, you guys. And I pay for this myself. This is not something that they send to me, so I'm not getting any different items. But we're gonna go with it and see what happens. Okay, so I have the Nurse Jamie roller, which I really like. But I also picked up the Jade roller. People are oh, this is so cooling. It's not really that good at rolling. Oh, there we go. I think it has to, there we go. I love that it has this smaller one too for like the eye. Oh yeah. But sometimes I keep my Nurse Jamie roller in the bathroom, but sometimes at night I'm thinking this might be really nice to kind of have by my bedside to remember to do it. And it's an anti-aging beauty tool that's been used by empresses for centuries. The Jade roller helps stimulate energy and promotes a feeling of facial relaxation. So I thought that was really cool, and I'm excited to get that. So this is actually what I chose. All members again got to choose, but somehow I ended up with the eyeshadow palette too. So now there may be a reason, which I'll try and explain in a minute, but let's just like ripping into this. I actually really like the Pure eyeshadow palettes. I've gotten some in BoxyCharm, and I think they're really good eyeshadows, and the palettes are always really good. Like, how pretty is that? I love that. That is gorgeous. Oh, I'm glad I got that. I don't know what happened, but I'm glad I got it. I typically don't pick eyeshadows and stuff like that because I just buy a lot for making videos. So yeah. So I'm gonna go over a few other things before we kind of get to why maybe I have more items than most. Okay, so this was something that everyone got to choose. So there was an option between a circle necklace that retails for, oh sorry you guys, this is retails for $36, this eyeshadow palette, if I didn't say that. Okay, so they had the choice of a silver circle necklace, which retails for $49, the Oribe Gold Dust Dry Shampoo, which retails for $44, and the Halston Jewelry Portfolio. Now normally I'd pick the Oribe, but I have some in my stash, so I took the opportunity to get the Halston Jewelry Portfolio for $48. It's a pretty gold color. One thing I don't have when I travel is something that keeps my jewelry organized. I feel like no matter what, it always gets tangled. So I really like this to hang necklaces and bracelets and earrings and all of that fun stuff. And I just figured it would be awesome to have. It has a zippered pouch right here to have, and I love how slim it is. So I thought this would be good for me. My foot fell asleep and the traveling that I do. Okay, so next up, which everyone got, was the Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighting Stick in the color Stella. This retails for $24, and this is to really highlight the inner corner of your eyes. Thrive Cosmetics, oh, it's beautiful and creamy, and I think it's not so bright that people with my skin color or darker couldn't use it. This is a beautiful kind of a natural kind of color. How natural can you get when you put a highlight in your eye? But you know what I mean, because sometimes they're so highlighty or blingy or more of on that white highlighting side that sometimes if you have a darker complexion, it can look too stark, and I think this is a really good shade for a lot of skin tones. Thrive Cosmetics is this really big company, like I don't know how big of a company they are, but so many YouTubers have been trying it and really loving their stuff. So I'm excited to try this. I should probably check out the website and see what else they have to offer, because I know there's a lot of YouTubers who are loving their stuff. Okay. As a select member, you got to choose between sweet orange and eucalyptus oil, like essential oils, or this Anthropologie and Merci & Co. Sea Whip Body Cream and Coconut Sugar. What's a body cream? So I have to kind of try this out. Oh, it smells good. I'm gonna put a little on my hand. It's nice and lightweight. It kind of smells like the ocean. It smells really good. Like kind of a light, fresh scent with like a sea salt spray. I'm not good at describing anything like that, but if I had to describe it, that's what I'd say. So again, and it's really pretty, it's really pretty holographic packaging, so that is gorgeous. Okay, so lastly, you had the option of choosing between, as a select member, my phone, a Bite Beauty, a Mousse Bouge lipstick in meringue. That color doesn't look good on me. I've had it before. The Cheek and Tonic, I'll coast to that 4-piece coaster set, and the Brooke Burke body sliders. Now apparently in production they didn't, I think there was an issue with the coasters. Now I think there was something wrong with them, so they only had a smaller quantity than they expected. So after so many people got to choose it, that wasn't an option anymore. So instead of being able to choose from the coaster, select members got to choose between the Mousse Bouge lipstick, the body sliders, and then a mystery gift. So I chose mystery because who doesn't love a good mystery? Now I don't know if that's the reason why I got this in my box, but I didn't just get this. So this is something that, again, wasn't something I picked, but I also got the Dolce Punk Volumizer Mascara, which again wasn't in the option, so I have no idea what it retails for. And I got the Spongel Beach Grass Body Contouring Buffer with built-in cleanser. I've had this before, but I don't love it. I like it. It cleans, full exfoliates, and massages. It smells good. I'll totally use it. But yeah, it's not as exfoliating as I prefer, but again, it's not a bad product. So I don't know if I got these 3 things in place of that mystery gift. It didn't state what it was going to be, so I'm just taking it as that. But these usually retail for $20. This was a $36, and I don't know how much this mascara was. I don't really know this brand very well, so yeah. So again, if you are interested in FabFitFun and are not yet subscribed, you can get your first box for $39.99 with the code SantaBaby, hitting that link down below. So guys, you won't regret it. I love it so much, and I recommend paying for the entire year if you can, because you get so much more customization, and that to me just makes it that much better. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not done so yet, and hit that and hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.